Hi everyone, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about object pronouns. We have already discussed about subject pronouns. I hope you have watched my previous class. What are the object pronouns? How to use them in sentences? What are the common mistakes we make when we use it? And a worksheet to practice. These are the things I have included in today's class. So let's begin. Subject and object pronouns are fundamental things in English. Both the subject and object will be a noun or a pronoun. Making it simpler, if the object is not a noun, then it will be a pronoun. What is the function of an object pronoun in a sentence? It receives the action in a sentence. Subject pronoun does the action, object pronoun receives the action. So what are the object pronouns? Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Like subject pronouns, there are singular and plural. Subject pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. I is a singular subject pronoun or I is a singular subject, then me is a singular object in a sentence when we use it in a sentence. You always remain the same. If it is singular, plural, subject, object, you remains the same. See, he will become him, she, her, and it remains the same as it. But in plural, we is a subject pronoun. We will become us. You, always you. It remains the same. But they is a subject pronoun. That will change as them when we use it as an object pronoun. So let's see one example. My mother gave me an ice cream. My mother gave me an ice cream. My mother is a noun. That is a subject in that sentence. Gave is an action word or a verb in that sentence. After gave, who receives the action? Me. My mother gave me an ice cream. So who receives the action? Me. That is an object in that sentence. Okay. So let's see some examples. Biju took her to work. So in this sentence, which is the subject? Biju. Took is the action word and her is the object. Object pronoun. Okay. Biju. Who does the action? Biju does the action. Took. Whom? Her. Receives the action. Her to work. This is the object pronoun and this is the subject. So this is not a pronoun. This is a noun, right? Next sentence. She told them. She, subject pronoun. Told is an action word and after that them is an object pronoun. She told. Who does the action? She. That is the subject pronoun. Action word told. Whom? Them. That is the object pronoun. Who receives the action? Them. The truth. So look at these two sentences. Look at these two sentences. That is, took is the action word. After that one object comes. Told is an action word. Again, after that one object pronoun. Let us see the third one. He is talking to her. He is talking to her. This is the subject pronoun. Is talking is a continuous tense, is a verb over there. To whom? To her. That is object pronoun. To is a preposition. I will go with her. I will go. I, subject, go, action word, with is a preposition, and him, the object. Rani is my friend. Rani is a noun here. I really enjoy being with her. Being with whom? Being with her. So here the subject Rani and the object is her. Object pronoun is her. And after preposition we used an object pronoun. So you have to understand the usage of object pronouns in a sentence through these examples. See, object pronouns come after either a verb or a preposition. See, in this sentence, took is an action word. After that we use a object pronoun. Like that, here, to is a preposition. We used an object pronoun after that. That is her, with him. Like that. Okay. Here are some examples to find out subject and object pronouns. Lena called me last night. Lena called me last night. So Lena is a subject here. It is a noun. It's a noun, subject, but it's a noun. And called me after a verb. Here used the object. That is me. Object pronoun. The coach will not let us play. The coach is a noun and will not let us. That is a object pronoun plural. Object pronoun plural. There was a math test. Ravi found it difficult. So here Ravi is a subject. That means it's a noun here. And found, after found is a verb. It is an object pronoun. The fourth sentence is, he is talking to her. He is a subject pronoun. Is talking to. After a preposition, the object pronoun is used. Her, about something, about it. So here again, one subject pronoun. I went with him. With preposition. After a preposition, an object pronoun is used. That is them. Here I is the subject. I hope it is very clear. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.